Workshop Wednesday. Scared Elijah. He's over there. He's over there engraving. Look here. We got a new. Najee, he done growed up. He done. Look, the coffee table's gone. Now, there's our collection of stuff we don't know what the hell to do with. But we got Elijah's own little spot and a microscope set up and got him a new deal. It's pretty cool. Look at him, he's so happy.
And you got a cup with my name on it.
Yeah, he got his own cup with his name on it. We got two cup guy. I am too, I'm a 2-cup guy. I got my coffee cup. It's iced coffee at the moment, and then you got your water cup, and it's a big thing in the afternoon to get the coffee and the ice. And it's all good. Hey, look what I got going. Almost wrapped it up. Oh, put the finger in there. I'm doing this, gonna ultimately be a complete bridle set. Jay Adcock's gonna do reins and roll mal. Schwartzy's gonna do, Kerry Schwartz is gonna do a headstall, and Scott Hardy's gonna do the buckle and the silver for the headstall. So I'll be rigged up, and this will be available at the Snaffle Bit Futurity come October 5th through the 19th in Fort Worth. So yeah, that's cool. Did some cool things here that are kind of interesting. If you look right there on the border, it goes and then it twists underneath. So if you look at it from this angle, it looks real thin there. Look here, it's actually engraved on the bottom side. It's a little deal I saw my friend Brian Hogstrat do. It's pretty dang cool. He did it with inlays. I didn't have the budget to do the inlays, but I'm playing with it, seeing what happens. It's all cool. We got a French grate. What we're working on right now is those little things that you see right there. Those little doodads, that's gonna be slobber chains. Get them all hooked up. There's my little jig that I got going on. This may be a real Workshop Wednesday, huh? We'll put them in there, and that's how we make them. So anyhow, that will be, I'm a little behind on my Patreons. I gotta do 2 Patreons to my Pro Card members here in a second. So that's gonna be one of them, making little slobber chains. Podcast is going good. We recorded a good one this morning. It's gonna be fun for you guys. Amy Erickson's gonna be on next week. And, oh yeah, I think Scott's on this week, Scott Hardy. So that's all good. Podcast is good. Monday mornings with Carrie and Willie on Spotify, if you're looking for it. And then Tuesdays at 2 went okay yesterday. No, I didn't get any questions. So I got one while I was going on. But I got to discuss the topic I wanted and talked about business, getting a business mentor, as I've recently done in the last year, and kind of some of the fears that's going on with it, and why we don't do it, or maybe why we don't do it, but couldn't recommend enough. If y'all go back and look at that video, it's, I don't know, what we do, 15 minutes, Eli? Somewhere in there?
Yeah,
15 minutes. We didn't go too long. So, anyhow, all's well. Don't have anything else. I was at the Briscoe last Saturday, for Day of the Cowboy in San Antonio. It was a great time. Met some great people, lots of people. Drank a few margaritas on the Riverwalk, a few too many margaritas on the Riverwalk. Me, Mom, my dad. It was all fun. We had a good time. So, what else? Next little deal. Next week, I'm headed to Colorado. Next Saturday, we have deal at Cowboys North and South. It's a show up in Edwards, Colorado, which is Vail. We'll go up there with the fancy people in the cool weather. Might be a little cooler up there. That's going to be exciting. So that's the next adventure. Until then, I'm going to be head down and cracking away here at the old shop. So we'll see you next week. Adios.